I have quite a few devices right over here and I'm trying to understand what is that abnormal sound, because from what I can hear, yes, it is a bit quieter in other direction, but it is just because it is maybe spinning in the other side, you know, and tension for the belt is actually getting a bit higher, maybe, you know. I have right over here other devices. Look at how this screams actually, yeah. But it's totally normally working device, you know. Yeah. Also, I have right over here mine. You can also hear that screaming of the motor. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah. So I actually not very understand what it could be wrong with this one, because for me it sounds quite normal, you know. But I will check the wow&flutter. Maybe right here we have something interesting. Okay, so from what I can see, this is the rewind direction. We have quite a bit gained up wow&flutter. So my guessing is that clutch maybe broke down. Yeah. Okay, so I think I will try to change the clutch for it, and we will see what we need. So this is the result in forward direction. I have found out that clutch was a bit splitted and it's in forward mode. These motors are audible. Yes, in both directions they are audible. And this is the rewind direction. The rewind direction actually has a bit better wow&flutter than the forward. Forward direction. Yes, the motor is a bit louder in forward direction, but this is what I can do. It's quite stable actually. Okay, so let's see. I have played full cassette of 60 minutes, both directions, and it seems that it's playing perfectly fine, but let's see what wow&flutter do we have. Okay, so this is rewind direction playback. Yeah, quite nice. Yeah, I think that it's nice too. And forward direction. It's much better than it was before. It was before like 200, something like that. Now we're not exceeding more than, I think, 1.6, 0.16 actually, yeah. So I think that it will be fine. And it's not creating any strange sounds, so that's always a good news. And I have used compressed air, and it shot some I don't know what the hell that was, but it's gone, and those crazy sounds also. So that's it.